It's a 2013 Chevrolet Volt. Sleek and sporty, take charge in this Volt. It's the smarter way to get there. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, air conditioning, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and AM/FM satellite radio. New Car Test Drive states everything about the steering, braking, and handling of the Volt reflects the Cruze, a highly competent compact. There is nothing weird about it. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.